Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduke, and this is tip number 259, Staying Up to Date. Staying up to date on all the latest Power Pages news can be tough. There's not one source for all the information. In this tip, I'll provide the resources we look at to try and stay current. The first place to look for the big announcements is the blog available at powerpages.microsoft.com. This can include new features, deprecations, as well as event announcements. If you can only remember to check one place, this is the one that should be at the top of your list. Next, there are the release plans. For the Power Platform and Dynamics 365, Microsoft breaks the year up into two separate release waves. Wave 1 from April to September, and Wave 2 from October to March. A few months in advance of the release waves, Microsoft publishes the release wave plans, which provides details on what to expect over that 6-month period. The Power Pages plan can be found in the Power Platform release wave plans. Note that these plans are a living document. They are updated throughout the wave as features are released, and new items can be added at any time. Next, we've got the documentation itself at Microsoft Learn. Sometimes the first time we hear about a new feature is when preview documentation is released. It can be a bit of a needle in the haystack if you're looking for a new feature in there, but just know that there's more new stuff than just the features announced via the blog or via the release wave plans. So far we've talked about new features, but one page in particular in the documentation tells you what is going away. Titled Important Upcoming Changes and Deprecations in Power Pages, this page lists what features are being deprecated, and when. Keep an eye on this page in case they announce something you depend on. Usually they give you lots of notice. Finally, follow your favorite Power Pages community members on social media. When we hear about new stuff, we will definitely share it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 259 on staying up to date useful.